how to connect a mic to Sony A7 IV. Here I've got a clip-on mic, the other end is the aux type, right? Now I'm not going to get to the details if you have a Bluetooth mic and so on, because those are really dependent upon your mic system itself, but I'll show you where you can connect this because there are two slots for this and you might get confused. Now I'm just going to turn off my camera. You don't have to do this, but it's just me who does this because I sometimes feel that the audio recording doesn't quite work if you don't turn off the camera before plugging in, right? So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and then look towards the left hand side on my Sony A7 IV camera. Now if you look at the bottom, you can see this is a headphone jack, but this is not the slot we want to go to. We want to go to this other slot which is in the red color. So this right here is the microphone slot. So what I can do now is I can just go ahead and then plug my particular slot right here, and when I've done that I can begin the recording and turn on my camera as well. So this is a slot that you want to record your audio on. I hope the video helps you out. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.